Should you renovate or knock down and rebuild? Start by asking 3 questions. First, does the existing home have good bones? If the structure, location and layout potential are strong, renovating may make sense. Second, how much change do you really need? If you are changing almost everything, rebuilding might be more practical. Third, what is the emotional or character value of your home? In Brisbane, many older homes, especially Queenslanders, have charm worth preserving. The answer is not always obvious. It depends on cost, design potential, approvals, and long-term lifestyle.